Hi, sweetie.
Police are...
Are you just rolling around everywhere? Show Mommy that you can roll both ways. Hi. Hi, honey. Where are you going? Where are you going? You gonna scoot your way over here? That was a good army crawl.
Army crawl.
Flip over. But don't hit your head too much. You're gonna flip back over. Hi. Well, flip back over. I hear you. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. You're okay.
Hi, Mimi girl. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, you did it that time, but right onto the wood floor. Oh, you okay? Are you okay on the wood floor? That feels different, doesn't it? I don't think we'll be on there, though. Let's get back on the rug.